So I'm about to make a rotational model here. Let's do a polygon with 3 sides, otherwise known as a triangle. Seems about a good size. Now, I don't like how sharp the side is on this one. So, but to make the sides less sharp. As you can see, it's less sharp than it was before. Like that better. Now we need grasshopper. Let's get a new document. Now I have to set the curve. There we go. Now we want to move it. Automatically makes it 10, but we want it to be more than that. So we need a series command. Need the count to be, let's say, 20. Connect this. Now we need a z factor. Now we need an area for us to be able to rotate it. See those right there. Now we want to rotate it. So now we have the rotation, but we still need to have the series again for the rotation for us to be able to rotate it. Pretty sure the count was 20. And the step is how it's going to be rotating. So let's say 0.09. Still need the z factor. Alright, so we actually need radians. We don't need the z factor since it's a rotation and not just it moving up. Put that on the angle. The geometry needs to be connected to the rotation, and the centroid needs to be connected to the plane. I think it needs to rotate more. Let's say 5. Matter of fact, let's say 5.0. So we have more options to work with. It's at the decimals place, so as you can see that right there. I like that rotation. What I'm going to do is shut this off so you can just see the rotation. get a better view of this. I kind of like that the best, so I think we're going to leave it at that. Okay. So I like that. And now we're basically good with the rotation. Now we want to do the extrusion. So now we need to extrude it. So connect the geometry to the base. 0.8 is a factor of how thick it is. As you could see that. Now we have our geometry. So let's see, as you can see that change, that's the thickness of it. No, I think I want to make this more. Let's make this. As you can see, that looks much better. A more full rotation right there. It's nice. So there's a rotation, there's our extrusion. Now I want to bake this. Layer 2, yes. Please do group this. And okay. Now I don't need grasshopper anymore. Have the structure right here. And yeah, so that's how you pretty much make a rotational structure. If you want to render it, you could change the view. Change to shaded first if you want to see that. I personally like the shaded. Then you can render it to see how it's like rendered. But I personally stick with the shaded view. And that's how it looks. And there's your rotational tower.